potatoes.
We're doing a small update on our garden. Hope y'all enjoy. Bell peppers, zinnias, and bleeding hearts.
Hummingbird food.
Hummingbird food.
Hummingbird food.
Hummingbird food.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Bell peppers.
Bell peppers.
Wildflowers.
Wildflowers and
Sweet potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
Pansies.
Pansies and more bell pepper.
Looks good. More wildflower.
More wildflower.
And more wildflower. And zinnias. And our regular potatoes.
Yep. More potatoes
and these are tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Yeah. You take a shot out there. Just planted some more
Flowers as of today.
sunflowers and zinnias today, where the sunflowers are. But you can do around the yard. Look at the bunny. See the bunny?
Yep.
You can zoom in on it if you want.
Okay, this is the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed.